Ready to get your BB ASCP, but not sure where to start? Most lab pros waste time, money, or even fail because they miss one critical step. Stay with me. The next 2 minutes will change everything. You're watching MLSIAcademy, built for lab professionals chasing ASCP success. Today, you'll get the exact steps for how to get BB ASCP. Let's make sure you know the requirements, avoid the myths, and pass first try. First, check your education. You need a bachelor's degree, usually in biology, chemistry, or a related field. Some routes accept a degree plus 30 semester hours in bio and chem. Check the official ASCP page for your exact path. Don't guess, confirm your eligibility directly at ascp.org Content Board of Certification, get credentialed. Next, get hands-on lab experience. You must work in a clinical lab, performing blood bank procedures like ABO/RH typing, antibody ID, and cross-matching within the last 5 years. This isn't just paperwork. You need real, practical skills. If you're missing experience, you can't sit for the exam. Now, apply for the exam. Head to the ASCP Board of Certification site, fill out your application, and pay the fee. Once approved, you'll get your authorization to test, then schedule your exam at a Pearson VUE center. Study smarter, not harder. The BB ASCP exam covers serologic/molecular testing, donor collection, quality control, and lab operations. It's 100 multiple-choice questions in 2.5 hours, computer adaptive, so every answer changes what comes next. Many fail by not practicing adaptive test questions. MLSIAcademy's Q-banks are built for this exact format. Watch out for myths. You don't need to memorize every regulation, just current U.S. blood bank standards. Donor eligibility questions follow the latest ABB and FDA rules, often a trap for outdated info. And no, you don't have to be a superstar on day one, just prepared and precise. Thousands of lab professionals have passed BB ASCP using MLSIAcademy's expert-led prep, live classes, video lessons, study guides, and adaptive Q-banks at dash.mlsiacademy.com. Track your progress, crush weak spots, and walk in exam ready. So, to get BB ASCP, confirm your education and experience, apply, study for the real exam format, and avoid outdated info. Ready to start? Explore the MLC Prep platform today. Everything you need is there. And in our next video, we'll unpack how to become BB ASCP, so hit subscribe and check the channel for that breakdown. You got this.